What if I told you just one simple step, done once a month, can completely change how fast your plants grow? Sometimes plants don't lack care. They lack the right balance in the soil. Over time, the soil becomes slightly alkaline, making it harder for roots to absorb nutrients. That's where citric acid quietly works like magic. Start by loosening the top layer of soil. This helps the solution reach the roots more effectively and improves airflow. Now take 1 liter of water and add just half a teaspoon of citric acid. Mix it well until fully dissolved. Citric acid helps lower soil pH, making nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium easier for plants to absorb. It also supports stronger root activity and improves overall plant energy. Slowly pour this mixture around the base of your plant. Avoid pouring directly on the leaves. This gentle monthly feeding refreshes the soil and boosts growth naturally. Within days, you may notice greener leaves, stronger stems, and faster development. But don't overuse it. Once a month is enough to keep your plants thriving without stress. Try this simple method and watch your plants respond in the most natural way. Give it a go and let your garden speak for itself.